This crispy Nashville hot chicken is coated in a fiery, buttery glaze you will want to make today. Marinate the chicken in seasoned buttermilk for juicy, tender flavor. Mix flour with paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper for the perfect crispy coating. Double coat each piece to create an extra crunchy crust. Fry until beautifully golden, crispy, and cooked through. Let the chicken rest for a minute while the excess oil drains away. Whisk together cayenne, brown sugar pieces, and hot oil to make the signature Nashville hot sauce. Toast the hot chicken until every piece is coated in that bold, spicy glaze. Serve it on soft white bread with crisp dill pickles for the classic finish. A touch of fresh parsley adds color and freshness. Listen to that incredible crunch, perfectly crispy outside and juicy inside. That's homemade Nashville hot chicken, crispy, spicy, and absolutely irresistible. Save this recipe and enjoy.